In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test your Dialogflow bot to make sure it understands users and responds correctly. Let's get started. Firstly, you need to open your agent in the Dialogflow console. This is the platform where you manage your bot and see how it's performing. Now, once you're in the console, you're going to want to look for the simulator panel, which is typically located on the right side of the screen. This is where the magic happens, as it lets you interact with your bot as if you were an actual user. Go ahead and type a message into the simulator. Imagine you're the user, perhaps saying something like, "Hi, I want to book a room." After typing in your message, you have two options. You can either press enter or click the send button to submit your message. This action tells your bot to process your input just like it would in a real-world scenario. Now you'll want to keep an eye on the response your bot gives you. This is a key part of testing, as you need to verify which intent your bot matches to your input. An intent is like a goal or purpose that your user has, and your bot should be smart enough to identify which one it is. Also, take note of the response your bot generates. Is it what you were expecting? Once you've done that, continue by typing a variety of different phrases into the simulator. Start with the ones you expect your bot to handle correctly, but also deliberately use phrases that the bot shouldn't understand to see if it defaults to your fallback response. Testing both successful and fallback responses is critical to ensure robustness in your bot's conversational capabilities. If your bot is designed to recognize parameters like dates or names, you'll want to incorporate those into your test messages. Perhaps try something like, "I want to book a room for March 25th. Watch closely to see if your bot extracts this information accurately. For those bots that use multiple steps or contexts, you'll need to simulate a complete conversation. Trigger the initial step, and then proceed through the next parts naturally to examine how well your bot manages the flow of the conversation. It's important that your bot maintains context and continues the interaction smoothly. If during any of these tests you discover mismatches or errors, don't worry. Simply go back to your intents, or your training phrases, or even your settings, and make the necessary revisions. It's a process of refinement. After making changes, test your bot again to see if those issues have been resolved. And that's it! You've now effectively tested your Dialogflow bot and verified its responses, intent matching, and conversational flow. In the next video, we'll dive into how to monitor logs and analytics to further improve your bot. Thanks for watching. See you next time.